Welcome to this week's edition of Hematology Updates, covering the latest breakthroughs. Brought to you by LucidQuest. The FDA has approved Brentuximab vedotin, known as Adcetris, in combination with lenalidomide and rituximab for relapsed or refractory large B-cell cancer. Results from the Echelon-3 trial showed a 37% reduction in mortality risk and significant improvements in progression-free survival. This approval provides a critical option for patients ineligible for stem cell transplant or CAR-T therapy. Cema-cel, formerly known as ALLO-501/A, demonstrated a 42% complete response rate in relapsed or refractory large B-cell cancer. The median duration of response was 11.1 months, with complete responders maintaining responses for a median of 23.1 months. The ongoing Alpha-3 trial is now evaluating its use in first-line consolidation therapy. The clonoSEQ assay has achieved a 7-fold increase in sensitivity for detecting minimal residual disease, or MRD, in large B-cell cancer. As the first and only clinical MRD test available for this indication, clonoSEQ has been covered by Medicare since 2022, allowing physicians to predict relapse risk with greater accuracy. Indonesia has approved the commercialization of selinexor, marketed as Xpovio, for multiple myeloma and large B-cell cancer. This marks a significant expansion for the first oral XPO1 inhibitor, which is already approved in 10 Asian countries. Ongoing clinical trials continue to assess its efficacy in both hematologic malignancies and solid tumors. A novel anti-CD38 CAR gamma delta T-cell therapy has shown strong myeloma killing ability, even when used in combination with Darzalex or Sarclisa. This next-generation therapy has the potential to become an off-the-shelf CAR-T treatment option for multiple myeloma. Janssen and Genmab have discontinued development of the investigational anti-CD38 antibody Gen3014. The therapy failed to demonstrate superior efficacy over Darzalex and raised safety concerns. Following the announcement, Genmab stock declined by 8%. South Korean regulatory authorities have approved Blincyto, also known as blinatumomab, as a consolidation therapy for acute lymphoblastic leukemia, or ALL. This approval is expected to reduce relapse risk and may help decrease the need for stem cell transplantation. The Boven regimen demonstrated an impressive 96% overall response rate, with 88% of patients achieving a complete response. This new regimen may represent a significant advancement for patients with TP53-mutated hematologic malignancies. Long-term data confirm that acalabrutinib in combination with bendamustine and rituximab provides durable remissions with a manageable safety profile for both frontline and relapsed blood cancer patients. Olverembatinib has been granted breakthrough therapy designation in China for the treatment of Philadelphia chromosome-positive acute lymphoblastic leukemia. This designation highlights its potential as a first-line therapy for this high-risk patient population. Ono Pharmaceutical and Ionis Pharmaceuticals have signed a $900 million licensing agreement for sapablursen, a novel RNA-targeted therapy for polycythemia vera. This deal marks a significant milestone in the development of innovative RNA-based treatments. The prescription iron therapy Accrufer is now available in Canada for the treatment of iron deficiency anemia. This approval expands access to an alternative oral iron formulation for patients with chronic anemia. The European Commission has approved Ridilo for the treatment of transfusion-dependent anemia, providing a new therapeutic option for patients requiring frequent blood transfusions. Stay ahead in hematology research. Like, share, and subscribe for weekly updates. Visit www.lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com.